This is the neighbor's tree that fell with the straight line winds into our backyard. And out back there is a tree that was in our backyard that fell over. Straight line winds is the culprit. That little branch fell down, hit the ground about right there, and then fell over that way and hit the house. No major damage on the house. We're really fortunate. But the branch is now piled out at the end of the street to be picked up. And the neighbor across the street lost a tree which came across the road. Took down quite a few cables. They used to be laying across the road right there. But the tree has been chopped up and is now neatly stacked, awaiting to be pulled off when the county gets around to it. Hopefully soon.
Almost 11:30, 11:24. About a quarter to 12 she'll meet me. Then I'll come back. If he ain't here, I'll trim it. That's a nice one, ain't it?
It's a dandy.
I got me almost a load yesterday, just roughly. He's waiting for the tree.
More debris on a house 2 houses down. That came from that pine tree right there, which was uprooted in the straight line winds. And she also lost a tree in the back of her lot, which was pinched off at the top a little bit. But my gentleman down here, a gentleman by the name of owns this house by the name of Doss, lost a couple of 3 trees. They all both came down across the road. This is Pine Valley Road in Rome, Georgia. And a lot of the trees have been cut up now, so you can't really appreciate what the mess was when they came down from this side of the road to this side over here. But the debris is there. There's one of the tree trunks. Some of the debris. You almost have to be a broken field runner to be able to get through the street still. There's a tree trunk there that came out of the ground. And a tree trunk there that came out of the ground. And a tree trunk there that came out of the ground. And you'll notice they're all pointed in the same direction with the straight line winds. And the general mess around here all the way up the street. We're fortunate really that no house on this street was damaged by the winds or the rain or the trees falling on, but we do have neighbors that had a lot of house damage. We're, praise God, that we were able to survive without any major damage. Just a bit of a bother.